This is the applesauce process. First we need to peel it. And this little tool does just that. Slices it, takes the core out, slices it really thin. And we have deer feed. And this is the applesauce process.
And these are Ginger Gold.
Ginger Gold monster apples this year. And there you have it. One more apple peeled. They're nice and cool. They're fresh out of the grower's cooler this morning. And one for the peeler.
Good.